Are you planning your next summer vacation? Wondering where to go? Let's dive into the world of leisure and relaxation, where summer vacations are more than just a break. They're rejuvenating experiences. This video will guide you through the top 5 summer vacations, each one offering unique experiences and unforgettable memories. From the bustling city life to serene beaches, we've got it all covered. Stay tuned as we explore the top 5 best summer vacations you wouldn't want to miss. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the breathtaking, vibrant, and ever-inviting Barcelona beach. This beach is not just a sandy strip, but a living, breathing entity that fills your senses with the true essence of Barcelona. Nestled in the heart of the city, Barcelona Beach is a melting pot of culture, food, and fun. Its golden sands, kissed by the Mediterranean sun, stretch out to welcome visitors from around the globe. The azure waters, gently lapping against the shoreline, beckon you to dive in and leave behind the world as you know it. Once you've had your fill of sunbathing and swimming, you might want to try your hand at some water sports. From surfing to paddleboarding, Barcelona offers a range of thrilling activities that let you take full advantage of its crystal-clear waters. And if you're more of a landlubber, fear not. The beachside promenade is a paradise for cyclists and rollerbladers. But the charm of Barcelona isn't confined to its waters and sands. The beach is lined with a multitude of cafes, restaurants, and bars, each promising an unforgettable gastronomic journey. The scent of fresh seafood paella wafting through the air, the taste of local tapas melting on your tongue, and the sound of clinking sangria glasses create a symphony of experiences that are quintessentially Barcelona. And let's not forget the unique aspects that make Barcelona a truly special summer vacation spot. The beach is home to some of the city's most iconic landmarks, such as the whimsical W Hotel and the modernistic sculpture l'Estel Ferrit. These architectural marvels add a touch of urban sophistication to the beachy vibe of Barcelona. That's our number 5 pick, but don't go anywhere. The countdown is just getting started. Moving on to number 4 on our list, we're taking you to the heart of Barcelona's historic charm, the Barri Gothic, or Gothic Quarter. This magical labyrinth of narrow, winding streets is a true testament to the city's rich history, dating back to the Roman era. Imagine strolling through these ancient alleys surrounded by stunning medieval architecture, with the warm Spanish sun kissing your skin. Here, every turn is an invitation to discover something new, from hidden squares with tucked-away tapas bars to magnificent Gothic churches that will leave you in awe. But the Gothic Quarter is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's also a playground for the senses. As you wander, you'll be serenaded by the sounds of street musicians, enchanted by the aromas wafting from local bakeries, and drawn into quaint boutiques offering unique handcrafted treasures. Don't forget to pay a visit to the Barcelona Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture whose lofty spires tower over the quarter. The cathedral is a must-see, with its stunning cloister, home to a gaggle of 13 white geese, representing the age of Saint Eulalia, the city's patron saint, at the time of her martyrdom. For the foodies among you, the Gothic Quarter is a culinary paradise. From traditional Spanish paella to innovative fusion cuisine, the dining options are as diverse as they are delicious. Make sure to try the tapas, small plates of food that are a cornerstone of Spanish culture. As the day gives way to night, the Gothic Quarter takes on a whole new vibe. The plazas buzz with laughter and conversation as locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy Barcelona's vibrant nightlife. From its rich history to its lively atmosphere, the Gothic Quarter truly embodies Barcelona's unique blend of the old and the new, making it an ideal summer vacation spot. We're getting closer to the top. Don't miss out on our top 3 picks. Halfway through our countdown at number 3, we have the vivacious and vibrant neighborhood of El Raval. Nestled in the heart of Barcelona, this district is a melting pot of cultures, buzzing with energy and rich history. Now El Raval is not your typical beachside resort or luxury hotel. Instead, it's an immersive experience that plunges you headfirst into the everyday life of Barcelona, where tradition and modernity dance a beautiful tango. From the bustling La Boqueria market, where a rainbow of fresh produce and local delicacies await, to the Rambla del Raval, a wide boulevard perfect for leisurely strolls and people watching, El Raval offers a slice of authentic Barcelona life. But the true charm of El Raval lies in its cultural offerings. Here you'll find the Barcelona Museum of Contemporary Art, a beacon for art enthusiasts worldwide. And let's not forget the Gaudi's Palau Güell, an architectural masterpiece that stands as a testament to the city's rich artistic heritage. For those with a taste for the unconventional, El Raval offers a world of unique experiences. Dive into the world of vintage shopping at Carrer de la Riera Bahia, or explore the eclectic boutiques and indie bookshops scattered throughout the district. And when the sun sets, El Raval transforms into a hub of nightlife, with a plethora of bars and clubs pulsating with music and laughter. And let's not forget the food. El Raval is home to a smorgasbord of culinary delights, from traditional Spanish tapas joints to trendy fusion restaurants. And of course, no visit to the district would be complete without a stop at one of the local churrerias for a plate of churros con chocolate, the quintessential Spanish sweet treat. So, if you're looking to immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Barcelona life, El Raval is the place to be. It's vibrant, it's eclectic, and it's quintessentially Barcelona. Now we're down to our top two. The excitement is building. Just missing out on the top spot, at number 2, we have the stunning Costa Brava. Now don't let the fact that it's not number 1 fool you. This place is a true gem and a must-visit summer vacation spot. Costa Brava, which means wild coast in Catalan, is an apt name for this dramatic, rugged coastline stretching from Blanes to the French border. This breathtaking region is a perfect blend of crystal-clear waters, sandy coves, and charming medieval towns. It's like stepping into a postcard. Let's talk activities. Costa Brava offers a plethora of things to do. For the adventure seekers, there are water sports like jet skiing, sailing, and scuba diving to explore the underwater world. If you're more of a land lover, take a hike along the coastal trails or explore the medieval towns like Pals and Peraltada. There's something for everyone. Foodies, we haven't forgotten you. Costa Brava is a culinary paradise. The region is known for its seafood, and the local restaurants serve up some of the freshest dishes you'll ever taste. And let's not forget the wine. The region is famous for its Importa wine, so make sure to visit a vineyard or two. What sets Costa Brava apart is its unique blend of natural beauty, history, and vibrant culture. It's a place where you can lounge on the beach in the morning, explore a medieval castle in the afternoon, and dance to live music in the evening. It's this blend of relaxation and adventure that makes Costa Brava an unforgettable summer vacation spot. But perhaps the most unique aspect of Costa Brava is its people. The locals are warm, welcoming, and proud of their heritage. They're more than happy to share their culture and stories with visitors, adding an authentic touch to your vacation. We're almost at the top. Ready to find out the number 1 pick? And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Our top summer vacation spot is the stunning Park Güell. This architectural marvel is a masterpiece of the renowned artist Antoni Gaudí. Nestled within the vibrant city of Barcelona, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. Imagine strolling through this whimsical park, under the shade of towering trees, past vibrant mosaics and intricate stone structures. Every corner is a feast for the eyes, with Gaudí's signature style etched into every nook and cranny. But it's not just a treat for art and architecture lovers. The park boasts panoramic views of Barcelona, offering a spectacular vista of the city's skyline, kissed by the golden hues of the setting sun. A picnic here with this breathtaking backdrop is nothing short of magical. And let's not forget about the vibrant local culture that thrives around Park Güell. The nearby Gracia district is brimming with charming cafes, bustling markets, and lively music, ensuring that the fun continues even after your visit to the park. That's our countdown. Remember, the perfect summer vacation is just a click away. No matter your interests, Barcelona's blend of culture, history, and natural beauty offers something for everyone. We've only scratched the surface of what this incredible city has to offer, so pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime.